My name is Sulvaran, owner at Sulvaran Drywall. We provide drywall services for the customers around the Bay Area. I started my company in 2022. I have been working on the trade for more than 15 years. I know how to do the job and how to work with safety process. When I start the job, we explain to the customers every step that we are gonna do it. We start on time, we keep the places clean and the highest quality on our job. I have certification for blueprints reading and mold treatment. We have liability insurance, we have a workers' compensation insurance. It's easy for me to communicate to the customer. He can ask me everything about their projects, about their concerns. The prices are fair and we keep the customers happy all the time, asking if he likes the job or not. I'm new in the business, but I have been on the trades for more than 15 years. We can handle every kind of drywall, every kind of texture, so you feel free to contact me for your project. We cover all the cities around the Bay Area. For more information, give us a call at Sulvaran Drywall.